And several other roads around here, people get in and out. They had drifted in, 3-4 foot deep, and kind of made it impossible for the trucks to get through to clean the road out, county. But there's several of us farmers around here that used our tractors to help clean out the roads so people get in and out, and kind of help out a little bit. But anyway, got that. And over here I got a coon tedder 2-basket. Wish I had a 4-basket, but this one works fine. Does what we need it to do, and it sure has covered a whole lot of ground. Haven't had any issues out of it. Had to replace a tooth or two here and there, but nothing major for sure. Anyway, that's something we just got here not too long ago. Me and my father-in-law both got us a sweep tub and alley for working cattle. Piece you see standing up there, that's the palpation cage, goes behind your chute. But I can take you in here and show you mine. I've got it set up. Still got to do some moving around and leveling a little bit, but we got it all set up a couple weekends ago, and pretty nice piece. We got this from C&B equipment, outdoor, out of Alabama. They're super good people to work with. They actually hauled these up here to us to Kentucky from their place down in Alabama. What you can see here is got a 90-degree sweep with 20-foot of alley and 2 sliders in there in the alley. And like I said, we ain't got everything done yet. I got to move my cattle chute back here, get it closer to the alley and get it hooked up and everything. But I think it'll work nice. We get it all set up and going. I plan on bringing my cattle in this door here, in the barn through this door here, having a pen here to get them in, work a few into the sweep at a time, and run them back out down here. Like I said, it's not done yet. I got to put some boards up on these posts we set down through here, these 6x6 posts. I'm gonna put boards up on there, and I'm gonna put boards up over here on the wall of the barn also. And then there'll be a couple of gates down through there. Make a couple pins out of this down to that last 6x6, and then down there at that door in the middle, there'll be a gate there, and there'll be a gate on the other side of the door also. So that's pretty much it for the equipment. Do got a couple more pieces I forgot about. They down here in front of down here at the other end of the house. A couple of bale wagons we bought. I'll show you real quick. Anyway, we got black limousine cattle, and Angus. They're all registered cows. We try to AI everything, and stay up on the genetics on everything, but try to sell a few Limplex bulls, you know, in the spring, and then again in the fall there, try to sell some more. Try to get some pretty growthy calves, pretty nice bulls, and people seem to really like them. We'll go up there in here in a few minutes. I'll show you some of the bulls we got for sale right now. But anyway, there's the two bale wagons. Those sure are handy. They you can haul anywhere from 8 to 10 bales, single run on these things. You can double stack on top if you're not going too far, just in and out of the field and over to the hay yard, you know. But I wish they had a hook on the back where you could hook them to each other on the back. That's one of my projects for long, try to get them set up for that. But anyway, makes quick work of getting hay out of the field. You know, take one tractor and hook it to that and pull them around and load it with another one. So anyway, folks, that's pretty much it for our little small operation for equipment. But I'm gonna head up here and we'll show you the bulls we got for sale.